Okay guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the the new system that I'm going to be upgrading to. This is the Corsair yeah, Corsair Obsidian 250D Mini ITX. I'm going to do it. Yeah, figured that was going to happen. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a measure, because I don't know if my heat sink is going to fit into the inside of the case. Need to be able to cut straight. Come on. I just picked this up at Micro Center the other day. Okay, we got that type of foam. Instructions. Wow, okay, they poorly wrapped that. Hopefully this one wasn't returned. Here. Give me a moment, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. And there we got it. Sorry, it's not the best quality of video. Okay. I'll have to do a better inspection of this thing later. I'm just doing this real quick. But my problem is this. The motherboard goes right here on the ITX, and I don't know if I have the clearance from the board up to reuse my current cooler. So I have to do some measuring here. Okay, this supposed to just pop right out. Nice. Okay. When I checked it, I had, from the motherboard that it's currently in, I had, let's see, a tape measure here. I had approximately, I think it was like 7 inches or so. So the motherboard, as you can see, that there's risers right here. So let's see here. Ooh. 7 inches. Well, yeah, with yeah, and this is not even where the board would be. Board would be about right here. Yeah, it's going to be about 1.5 inches too tall. So the only way I could use it would be to either leave, of course, the top off, or get another cooler, or maybe even doing some water cooling, because as you can see, this supports the 250 rad, and you can actually get a radiator in there. Sorry for the lighting. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I can't remember how to turn the light on this. Here, hold on a minute here. Get the flashlight real quick, shine it in there so you can see. Yeah, the front fan, you can easily mount a 120mm radiator in there. Other than that, this is, I'm going to be going small probably from now on, and I intend on getting a laptop. They said that these were 80mm. I'll have to see if my 80s will fit into those. I do have some, but there's also some people that are saying it does 60. I'll have to find my 80s and see. Get this case to light up. And it also supposed to fit the full ATX power supplies. Yeah, with mine, ooh, yeah, it's gonna cut it close. because I got a long one. Modular, but it's long. Okay, that wraps this video up. Thanks for watching.